How you doing, guys? I'm Focus.Go and welcome to Zombie Rush. Now, if you don't know what Zombie Rush is, it's typically where you try to survive with your other teammates. And sorry, the audio's kind of low. I guess I just put the volume down, but it's too loud. Hopefully the audio's up. So yeah, I just played Zombie Rush. I did start it with my friend Jaddy20 in Arctic Clan 1. So these are my guns right now. I'm using this one, secondary, hot, Z weapon, that, zombie, none. Oh, of course, here we go. So, yeah. Oh, I already met that guy, Miko, up high with him. He had like a snake sniper. So it's pretty cool. Yeah. So anyway, he was actually good at this game. Yeah, mission 2, 1. Let's go, boys. Let's go, boys. Choosing map. So I'm just gonna play about 5 to 7 minutes or 10 minutes. I plan not to record more than 14 minutes, I guess, more than 50 minutes, because I'm not able to record for more than 15 minutes. Then I do not plan to do that long. So here we go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on, we're gonna go up, left, right, up. Is that a player already? He dead. Okay. I'm level 21. 368 kills. Always goes for the head. All set? All set. Okay. Now time to go down. Oops. Hello. How you doing, sir? I'm doing great too. You're doing great too. Oh, gold. You know, I like gold. In Azure Mines. Yeah, I like gold. Yet, and barely didn't find any gold there though. So using your secondary weapon gives you double XP. So always use your secondary weapon. But you can just go like switch like that. So yeah. Anyway, so hopefully this video doesn't get corrupted. But when I record my voice, this means the video is gonna take longer to upload instead of like 30 seconds to upload. For some reason, Roblox videos without voice, like using the Roblox screen recorder, uploads a very fast time. Like 40-minute videos, like 30 seconds, like that flash. But so screen recording, like a professional screen recording, it takes longer to render. So yeah. So I will do more Llama Tycoon 2 videos, don't worry. I am planning to make a racetrack, and all those others, like other stuff. I just want to plan. I like to build. I already made a bowling ball. For some reason the volleyball or the red ball can't really go up the conveyor, so I need to work on that. So yeah. So in this game, every like 5 to 7 rounds, maybe less, I think you respawn, so you can help your teammates again. So that's a good thing about this game. This game is actually fun with your friends, and if you're alone, don't worry, you can just talk to other people. So yeah. My highest score here, I think, is wave 11. It's like the highest one I did. I know it's not that much. So yeah, anyway. So oops, here we go. Oh, I think they call this a blunt, the zombie blunt. There's obsidian blunt, this ruby blunt. I don't know how to call it. I actually never saw a ruby blunt yet. I killed a ruby before, but not a ruby blunt. Did they call it blunt or blunt? Oh, somebody must be on this other side. Okay. Oh, the music again. Hello, how you doing? How you doing? No die. And frying pan to the face. Okay, no, don't do that. Never do a frying pan to the face. Headshot. Look at those stuff. Okay, I'm gonna lead those people. Oh God, no. Anyway, So anyway, so yeah, he just jumped off. Just gonna need this pack of. And here they go. Here they come. Here we go, boys. I just attracted like a billion zombies right now. Oh my god. What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Oh god, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Oh, I died. Oh boy. Now it takes a long time to recover back. Yeah. You know what? Let's check. Huh. I'm just gonna try to be a zombie, guys. Here we go. Huh! Huh! Oh yeah! Kill him! Kill him! Kill him with kindness. Yes, zombie armies. Roar! I got a frying pan. Can't see me. Which am I, huh? Am I that? Am I that? Nope, I'm this. Psych. And she's gonna die. No doubt about that. She's dead. Yeah, she's dead. You know, we're gonna end the video, guys. My god. Why do I keep saying geese? Geese. I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Okay, there. So, hope you guys like this video. Hopefully, this video has the audio. I don't know why I'm calling my own teammate, but I'll see you guys. Oh, of course. I'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.